Installation tutorial for Model YL electric sunshade. First, open the trunk. The left side of the ceiling plate and sealant. Push the original car's wire harness forward, and then pull it out backwards. Separate the wire harness interface. Connect the product's wiring harness like this, in series with the original car's wiring harness. Insert the connector and break the seal plate. Put the wire in smoothly. Pull down the rear 2 rows of seats. Slowly put the sunshade into the car. Then lift the seat and support the sunshade curtain like this. Go to the back row, open the roof ceiling plate, pass the threading wire through here to the trunk. Break open the rubber strip on the upper side of the trunk. Pull down the seal plate. Pull the threading wire out. Then tie the power cord and threading cord with tape. Now you can slowly the trunk to pull the power cord over. Insert the power cord along the edge. Untie the tape of the threading lead, then connect it to the power cord. Insert the wire bundle into the gap, then restore the sealing plate and sealing strip. Now, go to the back row passenger seat cover. Lift the sunshade curtain. Slowly insert the left and right. Insert the latch plates into the decorative panel. Go to the front and put down the vanity mirror. Lift the sunshade curtain and align the fixed iron sheet and insert it into the decorative panel and hook it with the edge of the sunshade. Do the same on the other side. Now you can screw the screws. Lift the sunshade curtain and screw in the screws on both sides. Finally, use the attached shading cloth to the exposed frame.